A Kern County prosecutor may lose his license to practice law for 2 years and be placed on probation for 3 years.
That's what the State Bar of California is seeking in the case against Kern County Deputy District Attorney Robert Murray, who admitted he fabricated evidence. Eyewitness News reporter Jose Gaspar is here with the latest on this investigation. Jose?
Courtney, the State Bar of California is obviously taking this matter very seriously. It is rare, though, when the State Bar prosecutes a deputy district attorney.
Kern County Deputy District Attorney Robert Murray stands to lose his license and be placed on probation by the State Bar of California. Local attorney David Cohn says this kind of action is uncommon.
It's certainly more rare that we see prosecutors that are actually being prosecuted by the State Bar.
Court documents filed say the State Bar is seeking to suspend Murray's license to practice law for 2 years and that he be placed on probation for 3 years. Murray admitted that as a prosecutor, he falsified evidence in the case of a man charged with sexually abusing a 10-year-old girl. Murray placed a fabricated admission of guilt into a transcript. This is what Murray wrote into that transcript. Detective, you're so guilty, you child molester. Defendant, I know. I'm just glad she's not pregnant like her mother.
It was intended as a joke.
Murray's attorney, Jonathan Aarons of San Francisco, says his client meant no harm by altering the transcript.
Certainly the joke was in poor taste, and the consequences of it are something that Mr. Murray has to deal with. But there was no intent to interfere with the attorney-client relationship. There was no intent to use this document for anything else. It was never submitted as evidence in court.
As a result of Murray's action, a judge dismissed all criminal charges against the suspect. He was released from jail. But the suspect was later arrested again for allegedly sexually molesting a different child under 14 and is currently awaiting trial. The State Bar claims Murray is guilty of moral turpitude or dishonesty for his actions.
I would expect the State Bar has been very thorough in their examination and evaluation into Mr. Murray's case.
I would ask that everyone reserve their judgment till they hear all the facts.
The discipline action against Robert Murray is still pending. I also spoke with the Attorney General's office to find out if it would file any criminal charges against Murray for fabricating evidence. A spokesman said no criminal charges would be filed because of lack of evidence. Murray remains employed at the Kern County District Attorney's Office, assigned to the crime lab. Courtney?